Good, my people, I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content. There's over 500 videos for you to watch. You know, check them all out, like them all. And I'm going to stop waffling and get straight into this one. So we've got that boring box. It's a Nike sportswear box that needs no introduction at all. So I'll just skip over to the label. So this pair is the Nike Dunk Low, colorway white, black, cool grey. US size 10.5, UK 9.5 centimeters, 28.5, BR 42.5, and Euro 44.5. I still don't know how the women's sizing says half a centimeter up, so 29 instead of 28.5. Style code on this pair is FD066110, and they are made in Indonesia. Yes, look at that. I really like this pair, man. I think they are so nice, like the colorway. But we'll get straight into the colors. Sole, plain black. It's got a bit of white speckles and stuff on the bottom. Nothing too fancy, just simple. Midsole, again, very simple. Just a plain white midsole. You know, nothing too much going on there. No colors, just plain white. Then the back, we've got the cool grey leather. Kind of tumbled leather. And then same with the eye stay, we've got that same tumbled leather, and then the mud guard or around the toe box for that same grey leather. Then we've got mid panel, we've got white. The back we've got some white. Toe box we've got some white. All the same leather, so both leathers are literally the same leathers. Different quality to normal like Air Force leathers. These are more like Jordan type of leathers, but they're not like premium at all, so they do feel kind of cheapish to touch. The back tab is black with wolf grey embroidery, but on here it looks kind of bluish or some odd color. Inside the swoosh, we've got that tumbled leather swoosh in that same wolf grey, and then this side we've got like a kind of painted on swoosh, double swoosh in that wolf grey and then the black. I do like that. However, I think if they didn't do that and they just had the normal swoosh like that, it would have been perfect regardless. But I still do like this pair, I'll be honest, I do like the pair. Laces, we've got the flat white standard Dunk laces. I don't know why I like these laces a lot. I think because, you know, they stay stiff, whatever, they stay fresh. I like them a bit more. Then we've got the Nike on the tongue in that grey. I love this grey colour, man. And then black Nike, and then the swoosh. Same thing inside, we've got that same grey and then black Nike. Same as the little tab on the tongue. Yeah, man, I really do like this pair. Colorway really nice. I've got an idea of what to wear them with. I need to try that tracksuit on and see if it bangs. If it does, then oh mate, I'm gonna rinse that outfit, not gonna lie. But yeah, I really do like this pair. Really do appreciate this pair a lot. Very nice colorway. Can be worn in like spring, autumn, even summer. Winter, not so much due to the white bits, but you can still wear them, not gonna lie. But I personally wouldn't because of just the amount of white and they do get dirty. But it is a very nice pair. Good colours. A few different colours, but it's not doing too much at all. But yeah, let me know what you think of this pair. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out the link below for the Discord. Comment below if you want any sneakers reviewing or anything like that. Let me know. And yeah, wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video, my people. Check that out. I'll also be posting it separate, and check out every single video that's uploaded. Bell icon, all that good stuff. And take care, my people.